So welcome, what's up guys, I am Bybit and in this tutorial I'll show you how to set a moderator on your YouTube channel. I'll show you how to do it. So you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment and let's go. So first step, what you need to do is log in on your account, and later you need to click on the YouTube studio or manage videos, you may choose which you want. Okay, and now we click on the settings. I got these copyright strikes for nothing, but never mind. Settings. Okay, and now you click on the permissions. Now manage permissions, and here you have option like manage permission, and here you may add moderator, but you must write password. Okay, and now I click again. Here you add option, right, and here you have option like owner, manager, moderator, and manager communication. Okay, so here you may write a name or address email, and you will may add, but you need to be careful with if you add owner, because he has the same permission like you, so it must be very trusted person, and I not recommend it for you. Okay, and second option to the turn on moderator, set moderator on your channel is enter in the comments, click here in these three dots, and you may add as you can see this user as comment moderator. You may add an okay, you may write here name, nick, count. Later you click add this user as comment moderator, and you did it. Okay, that's all in this tutorial. It was 2 methods. I hope that I helped you. So you may like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, follow me. Bye bye, and see you next time.